Right, T.D.Ts is doing the next video. Finally got my mystery box. It was delayed because of the shit weather, but it's finally here. So this is the £30 mystery box from Spider Shop. So I'll go through what's in it. I don't know what's in it, so well, I'm really excited. When you order a mystery box from Spider Shop, there's actually a comment box in the bottom when you're purchasing the product, and you can actually say if you just want spiders or you'd like equipment, or maybe even if you want certain spiders which are less aggressive, some what's not too bitey or jumpy or fast. So that's what that's there for. So you can actually ask kind of what you'd like in the box, but it is just a surprise. So let's see what we've got here. Loads of padding. Just throw it on the floor. Right. Let's put it down there. Alright. It looks like I've got some more slings. I've got 4 slings, I think. So we'll try and go through them. I'll try and get a good view of them, see what they look like. So we've got this one's known as the fidgeting ornamental, or fingering ornamental, I think that's how you say it. Right, so I'll see if I can get it into this container so we can get a better look at it, and then I'll have to put them in the actual container. Just want to keep them in. That's what I was looking for. Come closer. Right, hopefully they don't try and jump out on me. I don't know how big these are going to be. Oh, I can see it. Ah, that's so pretty. Right, see if I can get it to come out without it launching. Bear with us a sec while I try and get it out, because I don't want it running off. That's it. No, because I know what ornamentals are like, and I don't want it to run off across my carpet. No, no, and it's gone back up. Wait for the camera to focus a bit. Well, that's that. So that's one out the way. Alright, see what we've got next. Oh wow, that's absolutely gorgeous. Right, that's that one out the way. Next is the struggle to read this writing while I'm looking at my sheet. Oh, this is commonly known as the ghost tree spider. So we'll have a look at this, see how it is. I'm sure they're all alright, because Spider Shop's quite a good place to get spiders from. They've never let me down before. Probably jinxed it now, haven't I? Where's it at? Oh, I thought it was empty there. Oh, this thing's just tiny. This one's really small. Ooh, don't you dare bolt. Try and get it focused quickly. That's my ghost tree spider. Absolutely tiny. Right, I'll quickly get a lid on that before it runs off. I was kind of hoping I was going to get a juvenile, at least in my first box, but I'll be doing the £60 box next, and then the month after that I'll be doing the £90 box, which is going to be really special. So I can't wait for that. Right, next is yeah, it's a bit easy to read that one. This is a Brazilian white knee. And after this is one more. Oh, this one's... Oh, Jesus, this is smaller than the other one. The tree spider. Right. Wow. This is like my baby salmon pink size, which I had. Oh, shit. That's it. Oh, come on. Climb onto the tub. Climb onto the tub. Stop fighting with me. Right, so this is my white knee, my Brazilian white knee. Absolutely tiny. She'll get nice and big. I keep saying she because I kind of hope they're all female, because I generally rather have a female than a male when it comes to most of them. Right, and last but least, what have we got? This is a Brazilian red and white. I think I've already got one of those. Yeah, I only bought one of those the other day. Oh well, I'll have another one. Alright, see how big this is. Oh! Right, this one's actually quite a nice size. This is like a lot bigger than the other slings I've just got out. To be fair, it doesn't even, it's not a sling. I wouldn't class it as a sling. He or she's quite big. Right. Come on. She's not moving. Oh wait, no, I think, yeah, she's alright. I was worrying a little bit there, she wasn't budging. Come on. That's it, let go. Focus. That's my Brazilian red and white. Real nice size. Might turn my light off, I don't want to stress her out. Right. If you got to the end of this video, I appreciate for watching the entire video. If you're wondering what could be in the mystery boxes, like I say, it could be anything, absolutely anything. So if you want anything in particular, you can comment in the box below when you're purchasing the product. I think you've got to actually add it to your cart, and just before you actually purchase it, it's underneath. And they will work around you. If you want something which, like I said, not really aggressive, they'll give you something which isn't aggressive. If you want something which isn't aggressive, or maybe in particular you want ornamentals, or you want old world or new world spiders, then they will work around you. But that's everything on this one. I hope you watched my next two, which I do, which will be the £60 box, the £90 box, because they're going to be some really good ones. I'm really looking forward to the £90 box, but we're going to wait because I'm spacing them out. And the next video I should be doing is either a feeding video, and hopefully within the next couple of months I'll be doing doing a breeding video. So keep an eye out for that. Alright, so thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you later.